M66 Max Drone 8K Dual Camera, 4.5 inches LCD screen remote, optical flow, brushless motors, obstacle avoidance. Take your aerial adventures to the next level with the M66 Max Drone, a feature-rich quadcopter designed for both beginners and experienced pilots. With its 8K dual camera setup, built-in 4.5-inch LCD screen controller, obstacle avoidance technology, and optical flow positioning, this foldable brushless drone delivers stable, cinematic quality flight and footage. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes, filming action sports, or exploring from above, the M66 Max gives you the tools and confidence to fly smarter, safer, and farther. Key features: 8K Ultra HD dual camera with adjustable angle. Equipped with a front-facing 8K camera and a secondary bottom camera, the M66 Max offers dual perspectives. Capture crisp, vibrant aerial footage and switch between lenses with ease. The main camera is electrically adjustable, giving you dynamic angle control from the remote. Integrated 4.5 inches LCD screen remote control. No smartphone required. View your flight in real time directly from the built-in screen on the remote controller. Enjoy a lag-free FPV experience, perfect for quick deployment or professional setups. 360 degrees intelligent obstacle avoidance system. Fly with confidence even in tight spaces. The M66 Max features smart obstacle detection, using laser-based sensors to avoid collisions in all directions, enhancing safety and reliability. GPS and optical flow positioning. Combining GPS outdoor positioning and optical flow indoor stabilization, this drone hovers steadily and maintains accurate flight paths, whether you're flying in open skies or tight interiors. Brushless motors for power and efficiency. Built with durable brushless motors, the drone delivers longer flight time, strong wind resistance, and quieter operation than traditional brushed drones. Foldable, portable design. With foldable arms, the M66 Max is compact and travel-friendly, ideal for photographers, vloggers, and explorers on the go. Smart flight functions. One key: return to home. Lost signal or low battery? The drone safely returns to takeoff point. Waypoint flight. Tap a path on the screen and watch the drone fly it automatically. Surround flight mode. Automatically circle a point of interest. Gesture photo, video. Take pictures or start videos using hand gestures. Headless mode. Great for beginners. No need to worry about drone orientation. Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission. Connect to your smartphone via app for live video feed, photo capture, and remote settings. LED navigation lights. Fly confidently at night or in low-light conditions. What's included? One M66 Max Drone, foldable design. One remote control with built-in 4.5 inches FPV screen. One modular battery, more optional. 4 spare propellers. 1 USB charging cable. 1 screwdriver and tools. 1 user manual. 1 obstacle avoidance module, if included. 1 carrying case, optional. Ideal for content creators. Capture cinematic quality footage from the sky. Vloggers and travelers. Portable and easy to use for on-the-go filming. Beginner pilots. Safe, stable flying with built-in obstacle avoidance. Real estate and aerial surveying. Get stunning overhead visuals. Drone hobbyists. Enjoy the thrill of FPV flying with top-tier tech. App compatibility. Connect the M66 Max Drone to the companion app via Wi-Fi to unlock additional features like live streaming, gesture controls, GPS mapping, and editing tools. Perfect for real-time sharing and mobile flight customization. Technical specifications. Front camera resolution 8K Ultra HD. Bottom camera optical flow lens. Transmission range up to 300 to 500 meters, depending on model. Positioning system GPS plus optical flow. Battery type modular 7.4 volts. Capacity may vary. Flight time up to 20 minutes. Motor type brushless. Remote screen size 4.5-inch LCD. Obstacle avoidance 360 degrees laser-based, optional, folded size compact and portable. Night flying LED navigation lights.